Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the chat. You're tuned into the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. We're going to take a look at the AMC instrument here. I have a potential retracement in the markets here, for next week. If I'm wrong, that's fine, guys. I'm just going to give you one level to look forward to as a potential buy-in opportunity. Well, not a buy-in, hang on. As a potential level to take a look at if there's any reversal candles developing in the chart. If it gets this low, I'm going to give you that level here in this video. We're also going to pull up the Bollinger Bands so that we can all be on the same page in terms of why I'm saying that the market may actually have a retracement next week. So I'll break it down the best that I can. Welcome back, loyal family. If you are new here, just to be totally transparent with you all, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of apes listening in. Guys, I am not an ape, silverback, or any of the above gorillas that you can think of. I'm a beast, okay? And I'm a fellow compadre. I just want to get that. I just want to make sure I'm transparent with everyone so we're all clear, okay? No offense. I'm holding strong. You hold for me, I hold for you. That's the saying. Yes? We're all on the same team. All right, cool. Hopefully we're clear about that. Let's go ahead and dive into the Bollinger Bands and what I'm seeing as a potential retracement and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's June 13th, 2021, and the previous close of AMC is going to be $49.40, slightly positive, approximately 15.3% for the day. Okay. All right, welcome back, everyone. ASMR Interesting Analysis. Here is the retracement, potential retracement. Okay, that's it. Just one line. I haven't changed anything. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at one level, okay? The market has the potential to retrace to $35. The reason that I have that level on the chart is because if we just kind of zoom out and look at everything, I think we went over this before if you don't remember, but November 2016 here, March to 2015 here was the all-time highs before the market actually exploded. And if you put a line there, it's at about $35, $36. So that's how we got the potential retracement. We only go over support, resistance, and patterns if you knew, okay? And that was a previous level of resistance. So I think it has a potential to, if any level, okay, it would be that level to come down to $35. Okay, now let's get into the Bollinger Bands. Here's what I want to show you all. If you're not familiar with Bollinger Bands, most of the price activity takes place, high percentage takes place within the Bollinger Bands. Here they are. Okay, perfect. So I just kind of highlighted the pink area is the price activity, the little candlesticks there, taking place within the Bollinger Bands, okay? And of course, if it's above that mean average line, that little white line in the middle there is very bullish, okay? And it just finds support and boom, to the upside, it breaks up. Now, what I want to show you is every time the price takes place outside of the Bollinger Bands, like this red candle here, represented here at about February the 1st, 2021, that week there after, the market actually finds itself back within the Bollinger Bands. I'll do a really quick playback so you can actually see this. So, and I realize that, there's naked shorts and all that stuff, guys. I get it. But this is the price activity currently in front of me, which, of course, it's very different. I get it. But under normal circumstances, which I know it's not normal, but notice how this candle actually closed outside of the Bollinger Bands. And when it closed outside of the Bollinger Bands and I continue to play it out here, you'll notice that it found itself back within the Bollinger Band. It actually didn't close. It actually opened. Let me be very technical. It opened outside of the Bollinger Bands. And that's actually key. Keep that in mind. It opened outside of the Bollinger Bands and it found its way back within the Bollinger Bands. So if it actually opened outside of the Bollinger Bands and it closed outside of the Bollinger Bands, that's actually, I wouldn't say it's worse, but the chances of it finding itself back within the Bollinger Bands is actually higher if it closed outside of the Bollinger Band. So keep that in mind as we continue to play this out and go over to present day, okay? But this one didn't close. It actually closed within. It didn't close outside of the Bollinger Bands. It actually closed within the Bollinger Bands, right? Just kind of closed back within there. Okay, perfect. So I'm bringing that up to your attention because the last weekly candle that actually closed was outside of the Bollinger Bands. I can't make that up. If you could see that, the top lift of the Bollinger Bands is about right here at about $39, okay? And this is a reversal candle, a weekly candle. This is a successful candle to close outside of the Bollinger Bands. I do take the weekly candles into consideration more than I take any of the lower time frames into consideration. So Monday morning, there's actually going to be a new candle to open. Now, if the weekly candle opens above 49.40, okay, the recent close, and it goes all the way up to like $53, that is a beautiful sign, guys. You got to get ready for some really nice fireworks in this market. Even if it retraces. Let me repeat that because I know sometimes I got some selective hearing, but let me just make sure I repeat that. If the market opens above 49.40 and it goes all the way up to like $53, okay, can it go higher? Sure. But if it does not and it retraces from there, that's perfectly fine, guys. The only thing that took place is they're clearing the sell orders above the price before they move the price a little bit lower, just to build up some more steam. Okay, that $35 level would be the only level that I would take into consideration as a potential retracement. Of course, this is not financial advice, and of course, this could be so far away from the truth. It's not even funny. You're probably looking at the screen right now, like Napoleon. The price is at $70. So yeah, this didn't age well. That's fine, guys. Leave that down in the comments section. Okay, it's always open. I'm always gonna leave that open for you guys. So in a nutshell, I'm expecting a retracement next week. I know everyone is expecting explosions next week. I'm on the opposite side of you there, guys. I'm holding strong. You hold for me. You hold for me. You hold for me. I hold for you. Something like that, I think the saying is. I'm holding strong. We're actively participating, and we respect the movement. And that's basically all I have for this video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys have everything. Potential retracement 35, and it could get as high as 53. Okay, we'll give you guys an update as often as we possibly can. And again, that's the reason why I'm saying it, because that weekly candle close outside of the Bollinger Bands. That's a close a red candle. That's interesting. All right, let's see how it plays out. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can push this video out to the investors who are thinking of entering the market and they haven't entered just yet. And they're just like, man, where should I enter the market? I can't tell you what to enter, but that's a previous low of resistance right there, right? $35. Okay, you can use that. Hopefully you can use that. Also, if you're new, before you leave there, we covered the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe with us at the bell, and we'll send you that information when it is available. Once again, thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, for stopping out, listening to the end. Huge support. I appreciate that. I truly do. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies. Protect your portfolio, of course. And bye for now.